wherever you happen to be, and welcome back to Tim's Brick Adventures. And as always, in the effort to try to always keep it funky and fresh, I am going to do a couple of tutorial videos in the next couple weeks showcasing two of my favorite plants that I came up with for my Wild West build. So this also helps those of you that are mainly my subscribers for the Wild West. This is for you, but everybody could benefit because these could be done differently with your imagination. So I'm going to do the tumbleweed today because it's really simple and really quick. I use these colors, but depending on, if there could be tumbleweeds in the space, so you could use black, but you need the one with 4 studs around the sides and the top. And these brown ones now, they're kind of expensive, so but I think they're getting more plentiful. And then I found, apparently I ordered some 1x1 round with a brown hole, reddish brown. So basically that goes in the bottom. So you can put these lovelies all the way around. No particular order. Now, this particular little plant stem, I'm not sure how many colors it comes in. So you could probably, but I know this brick doesn't come in tan, so you couldn't make them tan because tumbleweeds are dried out plants that blow around. I remember from growing up in Kansas, we had lots of tumbleweeds because the prairie, they're blowing around. And that's all there is to it. I think I have seen these on a few Western builds. Now, I don't know if they saw them on mine because I've talked about them. I've done a video about my plants. Or if they came up with the same idea on their own. This isn't rocket science, so. And we're all great builders out here, so odds are they probably came up with the same thing about the same time I did. I don't know why it took me so long. I just came up with these, I think last year and a half ago maybe. So, and this should have been one of the first things. Well, I'll tell you partly why. That brown 1x1 brick with the 5 studs on it, that's a relatively new piece, and then these are as well, and in this color. So anyway, yeah, it was a really short video today. That's my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a lot of great tumbleweeds in your future. Just remember, tumbleweeds aren't just for the West. They could be on space tumbleweeds. Okay, join me next week as we venture into my yucca plants. Now those, I know, I came up with those, but there's a little secret to them too. So with that, I'll say good day. Y'all come back now, you hear?